How to log into Big Lots employee portal. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how to easily log into the Big Lots employee portal. So the first thing you are going to have to do is simply search for Big Lots employee login and tap on the first link that you see. Once you get to this page, you have to provide your employee ID number as well as your password. Simply go ahead and enter your ID number and then your password. Now, if both of your credentials are correct, you should be able to log in without any problem. So just tap on the sign in button and you should be able to sign in. But if you are having any trouble with your login, tap on forgot your password option to recover your password. So all you have to do is provide your associate or user ID here and tap on continue. They will automatically send you a code on your email or phone that's registered to your account. You can use that code to recover your password, or you could just call your associate ID. You could just go ahead and call this HRIS at this number. That is basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.